Hey there everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to find your interactions history on Facebook, pretty much showing you what you have been doing and everything that you have been doing. So open up Facebook and then go to your profile by clicking the settings right over here and click on your name to see your profile. Once you've done that, click on three little dots that appear over here and click on activity log. Here you have several different options given. You can see your posts, the activity you've been tagged in, interactions, group communities, profile information, connections, logged actions, and other activities. So you can either click on any of these. As you can see, most people will be just interested in the interactions. So click manage interactions. And here you will see absolutely everything. For example, what you've saved, what you've liked, what you've commented, and pretty much everything that interacts with other people and publicly. So likes, comments, interactions, reactions, etc. Everything. So this is your pretty much history of what you've been doing. You can click on filters and then you can click on categories, and if you want just to see comments, you click on that. If you just want to see likes and reactions, you click on that, and there it is. That's how it works. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.